Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, our today's topic is land degradation and its causes. Dear students, you know that land degradation is a process in which the quality as well as the quantity of land is affected by a combination of human and natural factors. It means that land is degraded. Degraded means removed. Whether it is removed by nature means through disasters, through these hard rains, through floods, and through these avalanches, or by human activities like the usage of machinery to remove the layers of land. All this come under the category of land degradation. It is a gradual destruction or degeneration of the land resources. It is temporary or permanent decline in production capacity of land. Dear students, land degradation has a number of causes. Land clearance, such as clear cutting and deforestation. This is a cause of land degradation. Similarly, depletion of soil nutrients through poor farming practices. Similarly, overgrazing and overdrafting is also one of the cause of land degradation. Inadequate irrigation is also a cause of land degradation. Similarly, soil contamination is also a process of land degradation, and it is a cause. Similarly, we know that various people are engaged with mining and quarrying. This mining and quarrying also comes under the category of land degradation, because in mining and quarrying, in both the ways, the land is removed. Similarly, dumping of non-biodegradable trenches such as plastics in the fields. This too removes the land. It is one of the cause of land degradation. Similarly, we have monoculture. It also causes the depletion, causes the utilization or the removal of the land in the whole ecosystem. So, dear students, from these causes, it is clear that by this way or that way, when we remove a piece of land, when we remove the plot of land, the part of forest, the part of hilly land or a plain land, or a quarry land or a mine land, which part, whether it is in the on the bank of a river, whether it is in a mountain, whether it is in a plain, whether it is a Kariwa land, which type of land is removed, it comes under the category of this land degradation. सिंपली हम कह सकते हैं कि जब ज़मीन की खुदाई अमल में लाई जाएगी, चाहे वो पत्थर निकालने के लिए, चाहे वो कान कनी के लिए, चाहे वो मकान बनाने के लिए, चाहे वो जंगलात का सफाया करने के लिए, क्लियरेंस के लिए, फसल उगाने के लिए, या रेत निकालने के लिए, बाजरी निकालने के लिए, पत्थर निकालने के लिए, या किसी और किस्म की कान हो, जिस तरह जहाँ पर भी, चाहे सैलाब की वजह से ज़मीन का कटाव अमल में लाया जाता है, तेज़ बारिशें होती हैं तो ज़मीन का कटाव अमल में लाते हैं। इसी प्रोसेस को जब ज़मीन का कटाव किसी भी सूरत में, चाहे वो ह्यूमन्स की वजह से या नेचर की वजह से अमल में आए, तो इस सिचुएशन को लैंड डिग्रेडेशन कहते हैं। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वाज आवर टुडेज लेसन। थैंक यू वेरी मच।